Friends, today I'll show you how to make simple 100 watts inverter. An inverter is one of the most important piece in our daily life. It's a device which converts DC current into AC current. Friends, here is one 100 watts inverter module purchased from internet. Today I'll show you simple way of assembling it. Friends, let's do it. Friends, to assemble inverter 100 watts, we need some accessories. Here is the inverter module purchased from internet, and transformer 12012. 5 amperes has to be used, but I am using 3 amperes. Let us see whether it works or not. And bulb holder, adapter for recharging 12 volts battery, and battery, rechargeable battery. I am using this battery. Let us start assembling it. Friends, imported components used in this modules are 4047 IC, IRF 540 MOSFETs, and some resistance and some capacitor, diode, and this is streamer to increase the brightness of the light. Okay. To increase the brightness, move the trimmer up and down. And you can change the transformer to 5 amperes transformer, and the battery you can use the bigger one to increase the brightness of the light. Okay friends, now let me show you the charging part. Here is the charger. Let me connect the charger now. Charger has been connected. Now friends, now the device is been charging. Now it is charging. Let us see after 1 hour. Let me connect this one. Now it has to be recharged. When you are recharging, the equipment will be disconnected. Now the battery is charging. Device after 1 hour charging. Device working perfectly well. Friends, for better results, use 12 volt 7 ampere battery, and in place of transformer, use 12012 5 amperes transformer. Okay friends.